Welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. Today, we will learn all about your drive dynamics. When you start your car, it'll start in Comfort or your standard drive mode. But on most models, you'll be able to change it between Sport and Eco Pro. To change your drive dynamic, simply press one of the buttons here to the left of your gear shift. We'll go to Eco Pro, and it shows you on your display that you've changed. Using Eco Pro will help you save gas by decreasing your throttle response and by toning down your HVAC system. And using your Sport mode will increase your throttle response, change your shift point, and also tighten your steering wheel. On most models, you can configure your Sport and your Eco Pro dynamics. To get there, go to My Vehicle, to Vehicle Settings, and then in here you'll have Configure Eco Pro, and on other models you will even have your Sport dynamic as well. Now that you know the difference between the drive dynamics, you can use Eco Pro in the city when you don't need that throttle potential, and Sport when you're trying to get on the highway or get up to speed quickly. Remember, all the features I showed you today are on this beautiful Misano Blue X2 behind me. If you have any questions on your specific car, please reach out to the Genius team here at Hendrick BMW Charlotte. See you next time.